Hey everyone, it's Scottie here, and this week we're going to be sketching this teapot, and we're going to be doing a mini tutorial. So it's quite a shorter one, something that I'm going to be doing over Christmas and New Year's just to try out this year. So at the top of the page here, we're just going to put 2 dots for the width, and then in between those put a little dot there. Just grab that width from the tip of the pen to your finger and turn and put a dot there. So if I come down there and come in a bit, now we're coming to the first outline. The top here and come right across the other side. I think it comes out to about there. Down and then out. Like that. Going to go right up to there from the bottom. Now let's do the handle and the spout. If we're looking about half that width, we come out that distance. About half this distance, we come across, and that's that dot coming out here, curving around, and then giving it the width. Pen is wobbling there. It's the spout, and we can add the opening, and then down. Now we add the lid, and it's a bit past halfway, so if I put a dot halfway there and go up a little bit, so grab that, put it up here, and the dot, big knob on the top. There's our teapot. It's okay if it's a little bit wonky as well. Add the thickness there. And we have the black. Now let's do some watercolor. Because this sketch is a small sketch, I'm using my round 8 brush here. And we'll start with cadmium red. So the top, just nice color in here. Oh, don't forget that little bit. Add some alizarin crimson. I think that has a nice gradient change going up. Black bits with some Payne's grey. Right in the middle. I'm trying to be very careful here as well on the tip. Just add lots of water here so it's not too strong. Yeah, that's good. It's very pale. Now we're adding in some more saturation. Now I'm going to let that dry and then we'll do shadows. Purple lake to add some shadows on here. A shadow across underneath the black. And I think on the spout as well, on the surface it's sitting on. Let's just add in the darker red here to make it pop out. So right in the middle there, right in the middle. So just add a bit of interest to the background now. Same thing in the middle. So I have my Uniball Signo pen. There must be a front light there, right in the middle. So I might shade that. So a very quick sketch. I like that. That's simple. Good practice. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.